Hey everyone, this is Noah Kruthop from AI Answered, and today I'm going to be showing you how to download ChatGPT on your phone. If you're on an iPhone, you want to go ahead and swipe down on your home screen. Just go ahead and search for the App Store. I'm sure on Android it's also very similar. And what you want to do is go ahead into the search bar, and we'll do ChatGPT for our first example. So go ahead and search it. The download is going to be right here. It's this one, the black and white kind of circle logo. And you just want to go ahead and click download, and we'll be signing into it in 1 second once it finishes downloading. Okay, so once it's done installing, you can go ahead and click open here, or go to your home screen where it should be installed. Go ahead and click open. And it's going to take a second to load here. And it says, welcome to ChatGPT. It tells you about the responses. So click continue, and you can start chatting here. You can type in whatever questions you have. However, we recommend you sign up for an account, so that way when you're going through your different chats, it has everything saved here for you, even if you go on your desktop. So go ahead and click sign up, and you can click from any of these options here. For this, we're going to go ahead and continue with Apple. I'm just going to log in with my Apple email, press sign in. I'm going to enter my password. It's going to take a second to load here, and then you're all good. You have your chats, and you can go through to the side and see all the things you've been asking it, which will save and help personalize your future messages. Additionally, you can go over to your settings, you can enter your name in, you can put your email in, and you can upgrade to ChatGPT Plus if you really want to. So there you go, you have your ChatGPT account. You can go ahead and ask it your first question if you haven't had it already, or go ahead and sign in on your laptop if you set up an account. Happy chatting.